oncologist. Every year, 4th February, we celebrate World Cancer Day. This day is important to create awareness about the cancer. Cancer is no more a dreadful disease now. It is detectable, it is preventable, and it is treatable. So please reach out to your oncologist for any queries on this disease or any treatment option available for this disease. Thank you.
Medical line has come to a long way when it comes to cancer treatment. 4th February is also known as World Cancer Day. On this Cancer Day, I, Dr. Shilpi Duas, consultant breast oncoplastic surgeon, would like to discuss some few points regarding prevention and early detection of the breast cancer. We all know that the breast cancer is increasing day by day in Indian women. Incidence is 1 in 22 nowadays. Why it is so? Because there is neglection by the females as well as there is delay in the treatment protocol. So there are few things which I would like to highlight in this video, that we have the digital mammography available by which we can detect the stage 0 cancer, which is a precancerous stage. If someone is detected in a precancerous stage, they might not require the chemotherapy in later life. That is called early detection of the cancer. We have all the facilities available with Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, and I, Dr. Shilpi Duas, will highly recommend to go ahead for the digital mammography after the age of 40. Now, before the age of 40, if someone is having lump, we also have other modalities like the ultrasound techniques and the MRI breast available with us. With all those things, with higher end modalities, we can detect the breast cancer as early as possible and decrease your anxiety. So don't get afraid. Please come to us. Please visit us. We are sitting in the cancer building as well as in the health check for the mammography and for the breast cancer early detection. We are there to help you. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Dr. Nikhil Parvate. I am colposcopist, gynec onco and robotic surgeon at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, I would like to give you all two very simple messages. As we say, prevention is better than cure. I would request all of you to undergo a lot of screening tests which are available for a lot of cancers from time to time, and early detection saves a lot of further interventions. So if you have complaints, please do not neglect. Come forward, get yourself examined and treated. We are more happy to treat cancers in earlier stage than later. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Dr. Deepali Gundari. I am a senior consultant, breast oncosurgeon at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, Chinchwad. Today, on occasion of World Cancer Day, I am here to share a small message regarding breast cancer screening. What is screening? Screening is just to look for. Is it important? Yes. There is a general question about the breast cancer screening. If I am fine, if I am healthy, why should I visit my doctor? Screening has an important role to play to keep you healthy and to keep you fit. The breast cancer screening, it's a very simple 3-step procedure. The important step which you can do at your home is self-breast examination. Second important step is clinical examination by a breast consultant, by your doctor. And third, investigation, which is very simple, non-invasive. Sonography of the breast for the ladies whose age is less than 40 years, and the ladies whose age is more than 40 years can go for bilateral mammography. So I think even if we do breast screening we can very well reduce the mortality because of breast cancer, and definitely we can conquer the breast cancer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jayant Gawande. I am a senior consultant medical oncologist at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, Pune. On the occasion of the World Cancer Day, I would like to give two important messages. First, cancer can be cured, and second is cancer can also be prevented. Breast cancer and cervical cancer are the top two cancers that are occurring in Indian females. So it would be my sincere request to all the ladies to please undergo regular screening tests for early detection of breast cancer and cervical cancer. With these tests, these cancers can be detected at a very early stage, so there is a high chance of cure. Another advantage is that you will require very minimal treatment if your cancers are detected at an early stage. As far as prevention is concerned, lifestyle factors are becoming more important for the risk of cancer. Consumption of tobacco, alcohol, obesity, lack of exercise, consumption of junk and fried food, these are all risk factors for cancers. So maintaining a healthy lifestyle, avoiding tobacco, limiting your alcohol intake, maintaining a healthy weight, regular exercise, eating a healthy diet which is full of green leafy vegetables and fresh seasonal fruits, this can go a long way in preventing cancers. Another important thing is to be aware of your family history for cancers. If you have a very strong family history for cancers, then you can undergo genetic counseling and testing, and you can take measures to prevent cancers. So take care and stay healthy. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Gitanjali Agarwal Joshi, surgical oncologist, Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital. Today I'm in front of you to talk about World Cancer Day. I think, personally, I feel we shouldn't have a special day to talk about this disease, but yes, any problem has to be given cognizance and due consideration. So we talk about this, which we have been celebrating since the year 2000 on February 4th. Why was this day established? So as to create awareness on prevention and early detection and treatment. These are the three mantras in cancer which helps all of us to achieve cure. Why did I use all of us? Because anybody, even me, can suffer from this disease. So it is not that why me, the question that comes in everybody's mind. I think every human and every human cell which has some pre-initiating factors or some habits can result into the disease that is cancer. So on World Cancer Day, I am and I will. I am committed to let people understand about this disease, and I will do my duties so that I can result into a cancer-free world. So when I go through this cancer as a disease, I myself, after 20 years of practice, have kind of created my word, cancer. How do I decipher this word? So C, I say curable. It is a curable disease. But when you act in time, yes, that's more important, that you act in time. N is do not neglect. Neglect is the worst part in cancer. We, especially females, if I as a female recognize more with females, we as females always result into non-understanding our body or giving ourselves some time. So don't neglect. C, control. If not curable, in some advanced stage, control is definitely possible. And most important for society, E, empathy. Not sympathy, but empathy is what these patients want for our recovery and control. So please, friends, all of you understand this word, don't get scared of this word, and understand each point. So my mantra towards this disease is know your body. The mantra 1, know your body. Mantra 2, know your lifestyle. And mantra 3, another no, but it's not KNOW, but it is NO, no. No to all the habits which we are aware which result into predisposing to this disease. So friends, all of you stay safe and don't get scared to consult your doctor if you find anything different in your body. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं आदित्य बिरला हॉस्पिटल पुणे से डॉक्टर राकेश अग्रवाल, रेडिएशन ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट। वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे के मौके पर एक छोटा सा संदेश आप लोगों के लिए। कैंसर एक ऐसी बीमारी है जो बाकी बीमारियों से कुछ संदर्भ में बेहतर है, क्योंकि 1/3 से ज़्यादा कैंसर प्रिवेंट किए जा सकते हैं, यानी उनसे बचा जा सकता है, और 1/3 कैंसर क्योरेबल है, यानी उससे ठीक हुआ जा सकता है। इसलिए डरने की कोई बात नहीं है, सिर्फ ज़रूरत है बचाव का ध्यान रखने की। अगर हम एक छोटी सी बात जो बचपन से सुनते आते हैं, हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ, बट उसका ध्यान नहीं रखते, उसको हम ग्रांटेड लेके चलते हैं। तो मेरा निवेदन यही रहेगा कि हमेशा अपनी सबसे पहली प्राथमिकता अपनी सेहत को दें। यही वो मशीन है जो जीवन का आनंद आपको देने वाली है। इसलिए अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल, अच्छा खाना और सेहत के लिए जो ज़रूरी चीज़ें हैं वो करना, और उससे भी महत्वपूर्ण है जो ज़रूरी नहीं है या जो नुकसानदेह है उससे बचना। अगर हम इतना कर लें तो काफ़ी हद तक हम कैंसर के अलावा और भी बहुत सारी बीमारियां हैं जिनसे बच सकते हैं। मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा, अपनी सेहत अपने हाथ है काफ़ी हद तक, और उससे आपके जीवन का आनंद अपने चरम तक आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Hi, I am Dr. Jagdish Shinde. I am consultant radiation oncologist at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, Pune. Friends, today is 4th of February and today we are celebrating World Cancer Day. And on this day, I urge you to give a most precious gift to cancer patients. The most precious gift for cancer patient, what will be it? Is it a money? No, it's not a money. It's your time. You can give your valuable time to cancer patients. If there is any patient in your home, in your family, or friends, or neighborhood, you can give your valuable time to cancer patients. You can accompany them in hospital, you can help them in their domestic work, and thereby help a cancer patients. So make a pledge on this day to help one cancer patient and celebrate this Cancer Day. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Vidita Paule, a head and neck surgical oncologist at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, I would like to stress upon prevention and early detection of cancers to enhance the quality of life and survival. I would like to further stress upon the fact that head and neck cancer awareness is very important, and please don't ignore symptoms like any lumps, bumps, swellings, ulcers, or any abnormality that you feel is important. Please do come and report it to the doctor and seek the appropriate advice. We here at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital encourage you to come and visit us with your problems so that we can offer an appropriate solution. Thank you.
Myself Dr. Ravi Vategaonkar, onco-physician at Aditya Birla Hospital. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, I would like to share few things about cancer. Cancer incidence is on the rise all over the world, including India, and main reason behind this is change in lifestyle, use of tobacco and alcohol, and lack of awareness toward the cancer. So when detected early, cancer is curable. So for prevention of cancer, you should follow few things like follow healthy lifestyles, stop using tobacco and alcohol, then vaccinate girl between 9 to 16 years against human papilloma virus vaccine. For early detection, you should follow screening recommendations like annual pap smear after 35 years and annual mammogram after 40 years for female. Thanks to recent development in cancer care like chemotherapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy, cancer patient can avail good quality cancer care, reasonable cost with maintaining better quality of life. So to summarize, on the eve of World Cancer Day, let's join hands to be aware about reasons behind the cancers and ways to fight and prevent this so-called deadly disease. Thank you.
Hello, myself Dr. Ashish Pokarkar. I am a surgical oncologist currently working at Aditya Birla Memorial Hospital, Chinswad. Today is World Cancer Day, and on the occasion of World Cancer Day, I would like to give a message to our younger generation of our country, and that is stay away from tobacco and stay healthy. As you know, tobacco is the number one cause of cancer in our country, and which is causing many deaths, and most common burden on our health infrastructure is because of tobacco related cancer. Tobacco causes many cancers like gastric cancer, oral cancer, pancreatic cancer, urinary bladder cancer, and these cancers are more than 15 types. And today I would like to say to our younger generation that make a resolution and stay away from tobacco and stay healthy. Thank you very much.